this old town anymore for a long, long time. Gonna hit the road and start looking for the end of that long white line. Gonna hit the road and start looking for the end of that long white line.
Good morning, my beloved friends and family and subscribers. How y'all doing today? I feel finer than hair on a frog's back. We are outside. We are getting our day, getting ready to get started here. I am in Dallas, Texas, and we're going to just chew up some miles here and get ourselves around. I got Pooh Bear outside. And we're walking in the tall grass. What is that? A shovel. Somebody left a shovel out here. Looky there. Why couldn't that be a briefcase with $10,000 in it or something? Oh, found a shovel. Anyway, we're just out and about. We're walking. Pooh Bear's out here. He's doing his thing. He's looking. That's my treasure dog. He's gonna find me gifts out here. Anyway, now we're gonna get ourselves around. I just went in, had me some biscuits and gravy. Had my coffee this morning. It's kind of muggy out here, but we're in Texas. You gotta kind of expect that, right? Anyway, that's where we are. So we're just gonna get ourselves around. So let's get the show on the road, y'all. Well, we are in Decatur, Texas. Oh, let's see, 287. Excuse me. 287 north. I'm actually north of Fort Worth. And my guess is I'm going to be taking this all the way up into Colorado. I'll go across the panhandle of Oklahoma, right into the bottom part of Colorado. That's my guess. I'm not kidding. See? There's my truck. We're halfway between lost and found. Actually, we're in Texas. And we stopped to let Pooh out. There's no grass. There's nothing. Just sand, dirt, and weeds. Pooh Bear found the weeds. Did you find the weeds, Pooh Bear? Come on, let's go out here. Come on, let's go over here. Let's not get hit by this dead-end railroad track. Come on. All right, buddy, it's all yours. Do whatever you want to do. We are, though. We're in the middle of nowhere. But we stopped to let Poo Poo out. Let him do his thing. And then we'll be gone again. Hey, Pooh Bear. Say hi. Hey. Hey, Pooh Bear. Say hi. Say hi. Everybody wants to say hi to you. Huh? Go pee. That's the best I'm going to get out of him. Well, we'll see you guys when we get back in the truck. I got a cup of coffee. You want to guess what kind? No, it's not Timmy's. Nope, it's not Pilot. Now you're probably wondering, what kind of coffee did he get? All subs. But let's see if it's good. I mean, if we're going by the name, let's give it a coffee test. Oh, what would you call this? A coffee test run. It's hot. It's not Dunkin' Donut. It's not Pilot. And most of all, it's not Timmy's. But it's coffee. We needed it. Anyway, we're going to get her on down the road some more. We just took Pooh out. And then I went in and got me some coffee. We're still in Texas. If you guys know anything about Texas, it takes almost a full day to get out of Texas. Even with this thing. Texas is a long way. I went 300, almost 400. I'm still in Texas. Anyway, let's get her on down the road, y'all. Let's get her. So, Pooh Bear, what kind of day are you having today? Yeah, is it good? How many times have you been outside so far? Okay, yep, that's right. He's been out twice. Hey, Pooh Bear. What's 1 plus... No, wait a minute. I didn't ask you the question yet. What's 1 plus... I didn't ask you yet. Now listen up. What's 1 plus 1? Alright, see? 1 plus 1 is 2 parts. Hey, Pooh Bear. What's 2 plus... Oh, no. Now, wait a minute. What's 2 plus... Pooh Bear. What's 2 plus 1? Alright, see? See? He knows his math. I mean, he's a smart dog. He is. See? 2 plus 1 equals 3 parts. Hey, Pooh Bear. Here's a toughie for you. You ready for a tough one? Okay. Are you ready? What's 2 plus 2? Alright, see? 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4 parts. You didn't know he was a math, he's better at math than I am. Hey, Pooh Bear. You like talking to everybody? Sometimes we just carry on a conversation, don't we? Do we sometimes talk to each other? Hey? Pooh Bear, he's a trucker dog. Are you a trucker dog? Hey? He's my trucker dog. Okay, one more time, Pooh Bear. One more time. You ready? What comes on at 7 o'clock? See? He said the Grand Ole Opry comes on at 7 o'clock. Hey, Pooh Bear, what day does the Grand Ole Opry come on? What day? Saturday, Sunday, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But hey, Pooh Bear, I don't think it comes. Pooh Bear, I don't think it comes on Sunday. Just Friday and Saturday, right? See? Are you done talking to me? He's done talking to me. All right. Let's get her on down the road. Say goodbye. Now there is a reason why I drove into the night. I see fireworks. Oh yeah. I do indeed see fireworks. I want to see if I see any more. We're coming into a town. What's the name of this town? Oh, Clarendon, something like that. Texas. I saw some fireworks to the left. I don't see them anymore. Where'd they go? Well, I'm still watching. I'm still looking. Alright, now I see fireworks. I don't know if you guys can see them yet, but to the right, you'll see them. If they keep them going, that is. Come on, do some more fireworks. I was hoping for another. Man. I see it right there, right there, right there. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that was pretty. Oh, wow. Now I know you guys can see that. Wow. It's to the right. You look about 1 o'clock. Ooh, right there. Oh, wow. Hey, now see, I'm getting, oh, there's another one down the road. Oh, wow. I love it, man. I'm getting some fireworks. I told you I was going to see some. See, I didn't take off until 11 o'clock this morning. And I did that for a reason. Because I wanted to get a little bit of night driving. So I can see some fireworks tonight. I may have to work, but I got front seating right here. Haha. I know I'm acting like a kid, but I like watching fireworks. Just because I'm working doesn't mean I can't watch. I see a whole bunch down here. I mean, I see multi-shows. Holy cow. I don't know what town that is. Clyde. Or Claude. C-L-A-U-D-E. Claude, Texas. Wow. Check that out. Now look toward the left, guys. The left of the screen. Wow. If that is one show, that is one massive show. Because I see fireworks straight ahead, to my left. I see them all over the place. I'm just hoping you guys can see them. Wow. Now we're getting closer to the fireworks. This is why I wanted to drive tonight. Wow. Ooh, look, oh, looky there. Wow. Ha 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 ha. Ooh, I'm watching the fireworks tonight. Yes, I am. Hey. I'm like a kid. I'm having fun here. Now they're all to my left. And I got a ton of bugs on my window. I know it's night, so I'm hoping they're not interfering. I just cleaned them back there when I took Pooh Bear out. It's already plastered. Oh, wow. Everything is to the left now. Everything is to the left. Oh wow, right there, right there. Wow. Well, guys, we are in a town called Dumas, Texas. Actually, it's D-U-M-A-S is how it's pronounced, or how it's spelled. I guess you can call it Dumas, probably, or Dumas, but D-U-M-A-S, Dumas. That's how I said it. But we're at a Walmart super center. This is where we're parked. They have truck parking here. Hey, if you can see that, I gotta clean my side window. But we're at a Walmart. They got truck parking here. It just says to night parking okay. Just notify the manager. So I had to go inside anyway and get me a few groceries. I'm gonna have sloppy joes tonight. I'm cooking. And I had to make sure I got my coffee, because I just ran out of coffee. I made the last part of it this morning. So I went in, made sure I had a can of coffee. So I'm fixing to set up my satellite dish, and we're going to call it a done deal. And Pooh Bear's already back there in bed. Hey Pooh Bear, you want to say goodnight? Huh? Pooh Bear, you want to say goodnight? You hear him? Ruff, ruff. Hey, bark a little louder. They can't hear you, Pooh Bear. Bark a little louder. They can't hear you. You say goodnight? There he goes. I'll be back there in a minute. Okay? Okay? You better speak to me. He has certain commands. He will actually answer, and I can make him bark. Although when one of the commands is saying, say goodbye. That's one of the commands. Thank you. And some of the you know, we were doing arithmetic, like 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. I can tell him to tell you what the answer is. I can make him bark, but I can also stop him. And that's a little inside secret, guys. But that's I can trick people by asking him a question like that and him answering, stopping him before he gets past the answer, right? Then people say, wow, he's smart. He is smart. Poodles are very intelligent as far as poodle dogs. And you don't have to take my word for it. You can look it up, but they are highly intelligent. And Pooh Bear, he's pretty intelligent. He's smart. every now and then, if I can catch him right, and if I leave something back in the bunk, I can actually have him go get it for me. I left my potato chips. They're not open, but I left my potato chips back there on the bed. And I was driving, so I asked Pooh Bear, I said, do me a favor, will you go back and get my chips? He looked at me for a second, and I didn't think he was going to do it, and then next thing I know, he had my chips up here. He brought them up here. So he's a pretty smart dog. But when it's one-on-one in a truck, Pooh Bear been in a truck with me for 10 years. So when it's one-on-one, and you live in a pretty close section, it's easier to train a dog than it is if, you know, a big house, a lot of people. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and climb on out of here, guys. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna make some sloppy joes, watch a little TV, and get ready for bed. I gotta upload today's video so you guys can see it day after tomorrow. God bless. You guys have a good night, and somewhere around the screen there, you'll find the subscribe button. Subscribe if you're not, and if you like it, share it. Hit like and share it. Remember, if you liked it, maybe somebody else will. You guys are the reason why I make my videos. I'll continue making them. God bless. Good night. See you at 5 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning. Good night.